Good afternoon. So it's a bit very dreary outside, so I'm going to do an unboxing review, just a quick one of the Tornado NRAM air pistol. It's an Air Force One gas ram. This is a 2.2 version. They also do a 177. So yeah, I got it from Solway a couple of weeks ago, and I haven't really had a chance to actually review it or shoot her. So you got that's the manual. It's pretty good. Some nice colour pictures in there. Tells you everything you need to know. Setting your sights, cocking it, safety, knowing the pellets, all that sort of stuff. Very straightforward. It's a basic polystyrene box. So this pistol is about 120 in UK. It's very similar to the Umarex Trevox gas ram, which only comes in 177 by the way. So this is the actual pistol. It's a break barrel pistol. It's got its moderator or built-in silencer there. It's got fibre optic front and rear sights. I'm not even sure whether you can see this with this light, it's pretty poor. Yeah, a red fibre optic at the front, green at the back. Adjustable for wind elevation. It is a plastic sight. It does work because it's exactly the same system on the Trevox, and it does work very well. Plastic trigger guard, bit of wooden grip, and the safety goes through the actual stock there, off and on. Yeah, it's a single stage, so yeah, it breaks very consistently. Comparing it to the Trevox, the actual action and the gas ram and the actual rear sights are absolutely identical. The only difference being is you've got a synthetic stock on the Trevox and a wooden stock on the Tornado. And the only other difference is actually the moderators are different. The way the actual sights are. Yeah, the sights on the Trevox are further back. You can see them, and the Trevox are further forward. So I think these stocks, these grips, will actually be interchangeable. They certainly look that way. The only reason this trigger looks smaller because this stock is broader, it's deeper than the actual Trevox. So that's the only reason the actual triggers look different. The actual trigger itself, they look actually identical when you look at them. So the performance of the Trevox is very good. 5.14 foot-pounds over 20 shots. I think it's quite a decent spread of about 9 FPS if I remember rightly. I haven't tested this yet, but I will be testing it shortly, and I'll be doing an accuracy test. So if you're after a gas ram break barrel pistol, the 177 Trevox only comes in 177, where these come in both, and I'm a big fan of 2.2 caliber pistols, so I bought this because I just love 2.2 caliber. They're just great fun for, well, if you want a tin can bash at range, you know, up to 20 meters. Yeah, these are great. They've also got a built-in 11mm dovetail rail on both, so you can fit a red dot on there, which I'll probably fit a red dot on this, you know, once I've actually shot it with the sights and see how accurate it is. And I shall probably put a red dot on it, and I shall chrony it, and when the weather improves, when it stops teaming it down, we'll do a review, outdoor review with it. So it should be better than this indoor light. It's very poor at the moment. So I hope that's useful to you, and take it easy. Thanks for watching.